All right, Gary, we're gonna take a ride a truck. 1968 Chevy C10 pickup. Little long bed.
Yeah.
It's a nice old truck. A lot of upgrades have been done. It's got a 350 crate motor in it that's fresh. It's got vintage air conditioning, disc brakes up front, power steering. Still got the old 4-speed transmission in it with a granny gear.
Oh yeah, you can pull a wall with it.
I know. It's got the center console like they used to have in some of the early Blazers. You know, nice paint, rally wheels. Really good looking little truck, you know. Not a whole lot of options on it other than the, you know, the stuff that you want to upgrade, like I said.
And the bed's been redone.
Yep, look at that. Got like a dark oak, like a black oak. Bodywork in all the panels and everything's real nice. It's not rusty. The cab corners are good.
Oh, it's a good looking truck.
All the stuff that people want in these old trucks. They don't want to be all crusty from like Massachusetts their whole life. This is a nice local truck right here in town, though. We got it from somebody here in town, and he did most of the restoration, and just didn't have a use for it anymore.
It was just done.
Yeah, a lot of stuff is pretty new. It's got the little speakers down below, the kick panels. It's a nice upgrade too. Drives pretty good, huh? Yeah. Yeah, 350. You can even turn this thing into automatic. It wouldn't cost much. Put an automatic transmission in it, like an overdrive, and then you can drive this thing every day on the freeway to work if you wanted to, you know? Pretty cool. Not too bouncy either.
Good, no.
That's a half ton, you know? All right, we're gonna go up here to our picture spot.
All right, check out this nice 1968 C10 long bed. Really good looking truck. It's got a 350 small block on it, 4-barrel carburetor. It's got air conditioning, power steering, power front disc brakes. Got the Chevy rallies on there, the truck rallies. Paint's really good on it. I'm gonna take a little diversion here, show you the bed. They just redid the bed on it. Nice black lacquer, looks great. Now we'll continue the walk around here. Yeah, it's got a 4-speed manual transmission. It's a granny box, so you know you usually use the second, third, and fourth. First, you pull stumps out of the ground. So really nice truck, though. I mean, the guy, you know, put a lot of money in it, and he enjoyed it for a little bit, and then, you know, like everybody else, oh, I want to get something new. I'm going to show you the interior. Got some handsome looking buckets in there. Little center console. I think it's like the old Chevy Blazer one. And you know, did the dash there. It's got the classic Autosound radio. Dash is in great shape. Aftermarket wheel. That thing drives really good. Got enough power to get it around, and it's a great car. So we're going to show you the engine next and let you take a listen. All right, here's the power plant here on the C10 truck. Nice 350 small block with Edelbrock manifold carburetor setup. You can see the powered front disc brakes there, and then you got yourself your upgraded AC. That works fine there. Nice to have out here when it gets warm. Today would not be a warm day, but it's not too bad. It's got power steering. Still got the old ram horn exhaust on there. So you know, pretty quiet. It's got a little rumble, but not too bad. So we're going to start it up for you to let you take a listen. Yep. Sounds really nice up here, nice and quiet. I'll give it a little rev and see how it sounds like. Yeah, sounds good. Great looking truck. Take it to the car shows, you know, it's good enough to show, or you know, if you want to, you know, take it to Home Depot and pick up some stuff, you can do that too. Nice and comfortable. And we got this truck here down here at California Cars in Simi Valley, 818-591-1313. You can speak to me, I'm Gary, or you can speak to Rich, rested in the car over there. Be glad to show you this car. I think it's a truck. It's a pretty nice, and all redone and ready to go.